Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a chat room to your Google site using talk.to. It only takes a few minutes, and by the end you'll have a clean, fully working chat bubble right on your site. So let's jump in. Alright, first thing, head over to talk.to and create a free account. Just sign in with your email, like any normal sign up. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Next, talk.to will ask you to add a property. Just type the name of your Google site, and if you don't know the exact link yet, that's totally fine. Just keep going. This step basically tells Talk where your chat widget will live. Now we need the actual chat code. On the left menu, click Channels, then choose Chat Widget. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see the widget script. Copy that whole snippet. Yeah, the one in the box. Cool. Head back to Google Sites and open your project. In the top bar, click the little gear icon for settings, then choose Custom Code. In the footer section, paste that talk.to script. Hit Save, then publish your site like you normally do. And now just open your live Google site in a new tab. You should see a chat bubble pop up in the bottom right. If it's not showing, give it a second or two or refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a moment to activate. And that's it. Super simple. You've got a working chat room on your Google site using talk.to. If you want more tutorials like this, feel free to check out the next video. Thanks for watching.